Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to backup WhatsApp messages or backup WhatsApp chats or recover or restore your WhatsApp messages and chats when you need backup your WhatsApp messages or backup your WhatsApp chats. So let's see how to do that. I'll show some steps. You can follow me all steps, so don't skip this video, watch full video and please subscribe this channel. So first of all, go to your phone settings. So in this time I can show fast process or fast method. So let's see. After you can see phone settings, open it, and in this you can easily recover or restore or backup WhatsApp messages or WhatsApp chats. So let's see, scroll down. After that, choose and open notifications. After that, advanced settings, click on it. You can see notification history, so choose and open notification history. In this here I can see my backup or recover or restore deleted WhatsApp messages in this here. After that, scroll down, you can see WhatsApp 24 notifications, so choose and open WhatsApp. After that, in this here click on it. In this here I can see my recover or restore or backup WhatsApp messages in this here, and in this way you can easily backup or recover or restore your all WhatsApp messages or chats. And in this time I can show second process or second method. So let's see. So go to your WhatsApp. After that, choose and open official WhatsApp. You can see my all WhatsApp messages or chats, and in this I can easily backup WhatsApp messages or backup WhatsApp chats. So let's see. After that, right top corner 3 button option, click on it. Choose and open settings. Scroll down. You can see chats, theme, wallpapers, chat history. So open it. After that, scroll down. You can see chat backup, transfer chats, chat history. So in this you can choose and open chat backup. Click on it. After that, scroll down. You can see Google account. So first of all, you can choose and open Google account. Choose an account. So in this you can choose your Gmail or Google account. After that, open automatic backups. Open it. Daily, weekly, monthly, only when I tap backup off. So in this time I can choose second option, weekly. You can see include videos, already turn on. So turn on this option. After that, backup using cellular, turn on this option, and in this you can easily backup your WhatsApp messages or backup WhatsApp chat. So let's see. After that, you can see backup, click on it. You can see in this you can easily backup WhatsApp messages or backup WhatsApp chats. And remember, backup your chats and media to your Google accounts storage. You can restore them on a new phone after you download WhatsApp on it. So in this time I can minimize it and go to your Google Drive. After that, choose and open your Google Drive. After that, left top corner 3 button option, click on it. Choose and open backups. After that, click on it. WhatsApp backup, your chats and media including photos, videos, audio and documents are backed up on Google Drive. If you change devices, you can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. In this way, you can easily backup your WhatsApp messages or backup WhatsApp chats or recover or restore your all deleted WhatsApp messages or chats. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.